The drum speaks loud, it shakes my chest. Moonlight whispers, shadows confess.
Very good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. Another day, another ride. Today being last holiday for Jiggy, we are going for a short ride to Krishnagiri, to a beautiful fort and a hill. Stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, welcome you all back once again. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. And we are on this beautiful EC Electronic City flyover today, heading towards Hosur, Tamil Nadu. Stay tuned, people, for an exciting day of ride. Today being a Sunday, a lot of traffic. Stay tuned. So we are at Hosur right now with all the standard fireworks factories and shops all over. Time right now is around 9 a.m. We took a small break for some refreshments and we are heading towards Krishnagiri right now. Stay tuned as we explore a bit of Tamil Nadu today.
The night unfolds with ancient things. Hands to the sky, we call the rain. The sound of freedom.
The beautiful landscapes of Krishnagiri. These are the forest ranges of Krishnagiri. Always gives you a refreshing feeling when you pass through this ghats. Beautiful. This is the best part of coming to this side of Tamil Nadu. Channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Follow me on social media, my Instagram handle Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also Djmahaneet. Well, my advice for today is travel, see new things, enjoy your life, see new places, meet new people. Don't waste your time watching a rat race. Cheers. So we are near Bolumalai Fort right now, and about another 15 kilometers to go, I think. Interior roads of Tamil Nadu, very green, serene. It's been raining, I think. Feels cool and beautiful. Tamil Nadu is a beautiful state anyway. It's so nice to explore around the countryside of India. Any state, it's always so damn beautiful. Explore more, see more, do more. Life is short, no point of living it doing things you don't really enjoy. If you enjoy traveling, start doing so. Don't waste your time. Enjoy the countryside of India as we explore Tamil Nadu. Tough off-roading, I think. Oh my god. right.
no limits, we answer the call. Sand in my hair and the night in my bed. Stars hold the answers
Yeah,
but never
correct.
explain.
Very narrow it is. So it's tough, I think, man. It looks very tough.
This isn't just music, it's life amplified.
See and then whether we can go.
Feel it in your spine. Lose yourself now.
It
This
looks very tough.
moment is divine.
For
Dancing
RX,
on
maybe it's correct.
fire, spinning in time. The beat is a flame and the body's the rhyme. Round and around we rise and we fall. No borders, no limits. We answer the call. No clocks, no walls, just the endless sound of the sacred rhythm where we're all unbound. Feet strike the earth like a primal prayer. We're here, we're alive. Nothing compares. Feet on fire, but the night's still young. Moonlight drumming where the shadows run. Heartbeat tangled in the tribal spin. This is where the rhythm begins. Dance in the sand.
Well, there are two routes to get to Bolumalai top. One is through some treacherous off-roading and very tough trails. Another one is a semi-decent off-roading and a little bit of tarmac and cemented roads. Well, we took both routes. We didn't realize we were taking the tougher route and we managed to reach the back side, and then we realized there's another route to get to the right on top. Once we reached on top, the view was just magnificent. Quite a few bikers on the top of Bolumalai. Some days so we were hiding out under the trees for some shade. Check out the drone shot of this Bolumalai top.
Don't try to hide. Dance in the sand, dance in the flame. Lose your name, lose your blame. Round and round till the world's unplanned. We're alive when we dance. Dance in the sand, dance in the sand, dance in the flame. Lose your name, lose your blame. Round and round till the
If you
world's
like the short log of Bolumalai top as we explored some crazy off-roading on 390 adventure. This was the last ride of my 390 as I sold it right after this ride. The channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, suggestions, do write on my comment sections down below. The next one is going to be a sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you once again for watching. See you around very soon on the next one. Bye bye.